All right, folks, let's talk about the synthetic indices crash 300 and how you can flip a small account into a big account using just this simple indicator. Now, it's just one indicator I'm going to be using in this video, and this indicator have proven to be working very well. Now you turn into your indicator and we take the setting just like always. It's called the alligator indicator, and this indicator is built to catch trend at the very early stage of it. So if you are trading reversal, or you are always watching for the next trend, because that is the big move, this indicator is for you. So without wasting any of your time, you need to look at the screen very well. We have three simple color, and this are easy to recognize. We have the blue, and what, the red, and the green. So if the blue one is below this two here, that means the market is buy. But watch what they did here when the market cross. You see how the blue here cross both, and this are now under it. Now let's go down. You see, most of the time now, a candle can trade into what, into your indicator, but that is one of the perfect entry, because if you want to measure in terms of freaks, we have like 23 points here, 23.733. Yeah. Now if the candle is going downward, this guy is going to tell you on time. If the candle is going upward, this guy is going to tell you on time. On time actually means for you to get in. So you are only watching your indicator. If your indicator is not changing the way it were, it means that the trend is still on. So there's no point for you to go and adjust trying to short this little move where you can catch a move that is this big. You can see you can catch a move like this, or you wait to support the major trend of the pair, because this is the crash 300 index on a 15-minute time frame. Now you see how long this trend is. Now look at this trend very well. What do you have here? You see, if you are using this as your entering, or this above, this will be your stop loss, and you only trade the market when price return to what, to within the level. So that is what you should be trading, only when price return to the area. So you don't want to trade price. You see how further away price is from this level. You don't want to do anything with that. All you need to do is to continue to wait for price to reach one of this level. As long as this guy is very far away, the blue one is very far away, it actually shows that price may not come across it. So it is very rare for price to come across it if the change, the trend has not been broken. Only when the trend has been broken, that is when you will see the cross. So as long as you cannot find this cross in the trend, you can actually trade this. Simple, simple strategy. This is very simple. You can actually do this on a daily basis, and it unlocks a lot of opportunity for you on the market. Because if you want to go on and on backtesting strategy, you find out that indicators like this are one of the key factor in the trading game, one of the crucial key. And you can also use this to trade the boom. Maybe later I will do a video about the boom 1300 and also any other boom that is available, so that you can confirm that this strategy is actually one of the best strategy you can get anywhere else, and it is very secret, because it does not need a lot of work, just simple understanding of your technical analysis on and how to place it. you are good. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for more updates about the synthetic indices, and also I do analysis on major forex and